In this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the area of a sector. So if we have a problem like this that says the radius of a circle is 10 meters, okay? What is the area of a sector bounded by a 144-degree arc? So here's the arc and it's 144 degrees, it says, right? So we just need to find what the area of this is. So first step is know the formula of a sector, the area of a sector. K equals m over 360 times A. So let's figure out what all these variables mean, okay? K is the area of the sector. A is the area of the circle. M is the measure of the arc in degrees. So K is what we are trying to find. We're trying to find the area of this sector, and that's what K is. So first thing we do is find the area of the circle, A. Okay, so we know the area of a circle formula is pi r squared. So we know what r is. We know it's 10 meters. So let's plug that into this area formula. A equals pi times 10 squared. 10 squared is 100. So the area of the entire circle is 100 pi square meters. So now we need to find the area of the sector K. Okay, so this is what we're going to try to calculate now. So we use our formula and we know what A is, so let's plug that in. We know A is 100 pi, and also we know M. M is 144 degrees. Tells us right here. So let's plug those two things in. So K equals 144 over 360 times 100 pi. Now we just have to calculate this piece out. It gives us 40 pi. So K equals 40 pi square meters. So K equals 40 pi square meters. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.